Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Zilliqa potential for this year. We will just dive in technical analysis of this coin and what my indicator shows, because fundamental background of this coin is pretty huge. Let's dive in. First of all, I highly recommend you go and dive in on Zilliqa ecosystem, the Zilliqa community, and explore everything what the Zilliqa can bring to like layer 1 to crypto. Because of course now it's kind of huge circulation supply, over than 15 billions, but I think Zil ecosystem will grow so fast and bring a lot of solutions for the upcoming adoption and integration of a blockchain. XCAD network is pioneering the watch to earn revolution for 2.1 billion active YouTube users, enabling fans to earn creator token rewards for watching their favorite creator directly on YouTube. So this is this one. So this is an extension for Chrome. You can go download, double check, and it's really will be huge, and it's built on Zilliqa. Because imagine everybody in this world watching YouTube, and now YouTubers, and you can earn the money, the coins, when you support even you creator, even you creator, or even you just watch the videos, you can earn the XAD. So it's really huge, and it's built on Zilliqa. And now also Zilliqa launched the EVM mainnet on April 25 this year. So I highly recommend you go and double check all major updates, all major news, innovation on Zilliqa Twitter. So dive into fundamental background. So today we'll just dive into technical analysis for this coin with my metrics. Since my last video, this block I market weekend came in and tested. Most likely what I'm expect the drop to grab this liquidity. I'm expect to test 27 zone on a weekly time frame. So this zone play out like support. We got this cup and handle pattern, this pattern play out. We got this hype and end of bull run, like I mentioned before, in the March, April, May. So this where the bull run end, not in November. So here's November when Bitcoin just formed a double top. Then we got in March hype around the Zilliqa metaverse here. So we pump it, and this FIB in play. So like you can see, we got a top in May, collapse it to 0 level, traded here, 38 level by FIB test, collapse it under 0 level, bounce it, test, perfect test, 86 level by FIB. So this FIB in play, and nobody expects we can drop from this level to 27 zone. But like you can see, 27 zone always in 90% always play out on different time frames. So you can just use this cheat code. Here we tested under 18 level by FIB, didn't touch 27. 27 was at 0.2086. Maybe, nobody know. Maybe we'll go like this one and go and test one more time in August. So it will be the perfect scenario for Zilliqa. If not, and we hold this line, and it was the pure bottom for Zilliqa in December, and now we'll go to take profit indicator and double check. We going higher. We're going higher from this current price with all this major innovation, what Zilliqa can bring, like a layer 1 solution. We can go in higher from this current price, and maybe it's enough for Zilliqa. And we already tested this main support zone, confirm it. So this support zone. Now we got this weekly gap, only one weekly gap here between 0 level. So here it's 0.06 6 cents to 0.066. So tiny gap, only one tiny gap. All these gaps almost close. So this almost close, and here's no gaps. That's why the magnet now for Zilliqa is this gap on the weekly. So from this current price, it's 100%. So here, and from the bottom in December, it's 300. So it's more than good to see 300% pump on Zilliqa, because a lot of people just start jump into Zilliqa only at this level. Also, on the weekly time frame, we can probably forming this one, we can forming the right shoulder, collapse it to this level again, to 2/10 and bounce it. So if we're forming this pattern, the size of this pattern will be over than zero level, and we will close like usual. Here is a weekly huge weak candle. If we take a look, we always come back and close 50% of this week. Here, like this one, premium discount. So here, almost touch at the 50% of this week. Maybe with a weak candle, we will close it around 8 cents. 8 cents. Most positive scenario, if we will go to 23.05, 10 cents. Most negative scenario, you know, it's a test 27 zone, 27 level, not a zone. We already was in 27 zone. It's 0.2086. So now let's go to indicators. Here is ADZ, and like we can see, accumulation was in October 2019, and here in April 2020. The biggest accumulation was before the hype of Zilliqa Metaverse in December 2021. Now, everything what you see now on the chart is distribution. That's why it's kind of risky on the weekly time frame. Imagine it's kind of risky to invest in Zilliqa now, because according to ADZ, most likely, yes, we will see once again this level, maybe even this year. Because what I can expect for Zilliqa, we can see something like this one on ADZ and forming the weekly divergence, even 10 cents or 8 cents for Zilliqa, and then come back down. And around here, we will see the huge accumulation Zilliqa for the next bull run for 2024, 2025, maybe 2026. That's why for ZIL, now we are in a distribution. That's why the retail investors will be in the trap. Crypto flight direction, no signal to sell on crypto flight direction. Here was accumulation from May 2022 till January 2023 and signal to pump. So from last signal to pump on a weekly, so you know the higher time frame, the strongest signal, like confirmation. So here, signal to pump, 55%. But on a daily, if you trade here, signal to pump was here. So it's 123. That's why it all depends of your trading strategy and your trading style. So let's go back to market mode on weekly. Here's the euphoria and everybody's screaming we go into the moon. Here's March 2021, April, May, and in February also people still screaming we're going to new cycle. You know, we go into this cycle will be longer, but it was a trap. It was the end of bull run. So total disbelief was here in January 2022, March 2022 before the pump. That's why how you can use the market mode indicator. Here's the August 2022 disbelief till December 2022. This one, disbelief zone. It's the best time to buy the asset for investment or even for swing trades, not for scalping. Let's go to here, this one, trade on indicator. On trade on, everything pretty simple. Here on a weekly time frame, main signal to sell, signal to sell. So even if you sell last time, not at the top here, even if you just sell here, even from body candle, open short, you can get 90% drop for Zilliqa, and it's insane profit on the short. So now we didn't see signal to buy on Zilliqa. Just recommendation during all these 2 years, recommendation to close your short position. Sooner or later, maybe we'll see something like this one. We will be still in a downtrend and drop it down. Maybe if we drop it down to this level, we will see the major signal to buy on Zilliqa on a weekly time frame. On daily time frame, of course, it's more for swing trades, for intraday. So you can get signal here to buy, buy. Average price is around 1 cent, for example. And here's few signal to sell. Now we get a signal to buy and recommendation to close. But it's for not for investors. It's for intraday, for swing traders on a daily time frame. And the last indicator is take profit from buy line, even from here. From buy line to take profit, 86%. Let's go to the weekly time frame. And like you can see, why we can test this zone. It's minimal target, and why we can test even 23 level by FIB at 10 cents. Everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon. But it will be the trap for bulls. So we trade from a price now on a weekly, and the road is open to take profit line. It's 9 cents 64. And the exit line on the weekly is 0.23 level by FIB. It's 10 cents for Zilliqa. This time where you can out of this coin. Even if we test 23 level by FIB, it will be 254% pump from even this current price. So guys, I hope you like this video about Zilliqa. I highly recommend you dive into fundamental background of Zilliqa. Double check what's going on with this coin. And for long run, I truly believe in Zilliqa. Definitely. So guys, I hope you like this video about Zilliqa. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6 in 1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.